Welcome back. We've spent a lot of time on the list, Python's extremely flexible and mutable sequence. Now, we introduce the tuple. 1. What is a tuple? The difference. A tuple shares two key characteristics with a list. It is an ordered sequence. Items have a fixed position, accessible by index. It can hold heterogeneous data types, mixed types like strings, integers, etc. However, the major difference, and the entire purpose of the tuple, is that it is immutable. For list, mutable, and parentheses for tuple, immutable. 2. How to create a tuple. Tuples are created using parentheses, in contrast to the square brackets used for lists. A. Creating a tuple with one element. The comma trick. A common pitfall for beginners is creating a tuple with a single element. If you use parentheses alone, Python treats it as a grouped expression. To make a single element tuple, you must include a trailing comma. B. Tuple packing, parentheses optional. Interestingly, the parentheses are often optional when creating a tuple. The items separated by commas are what defines it as a tuple. This is called tuple packing. 3. Accessing elements. Since a tuple is an ordered sequence, accessing elements is identical to how you access elements in a list or string, using zero-based indexing and square brackets. 4. Demonstrating immutability. Now for the crucial point. If you try to change, append, or remove an element, Python throws a type error. This immutability is why tuples are often used for data that should remain constant throughout the program, such as coordinates or configuration settings. Understanding the nature of the tuple is step 1. In our next lecture, 04.11, Use a tuple, we will look at powerful ways to unpack and use tuples in real-world scenarios, leveraging their inherent structure. See you there.